Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how you can create your YouTube description and the timestamps or the chapters which you see in the YouTube quite easily. So if I go back to my channel and if I scroll down, you will see that there's a description created with all the details required are added here with a detailed timestamp. So how I created it using this simple automation. So first thing you need to do is you need to create your content calendar. So I'm assuming a lot of you must already be doing it. So just for the reference, I've created one content calendar. So let's say you have recorded one video. Now, what you will do is you will simply upload a video. After uploading, just go to the edit and you scroll down and go to the languages. Click on edit subtitles, edit timings, and simply download the subtitles. After downloading the subtitle, if I just show you how it works, let's just open it. So I will add the exact subtitles here. I will add the raw title which I thought for the video. Now next video title, as you saw here, that I have added these two videos. So it can be any video and from your channel. So I'll simply copy the two titles, or you can skip that part as well if you don't want to add any suggested video. Once done, simply click on submit and the automation is running. And you will get a detailed description which you can simply copy and go back to your YouTube channel and paste it. So here you will see all the bolds are there and you will see that we have already added our affiliate links automatically. These kind of things can happen autonomously. I'll explain you how to build this. This is a simple form field that I have added, and here we will get the .sbv file. It's basically a .txt file only. So we'll get it from here. And you can also add other information, whatever you want to send in the form, any notes or anything you would like to add in the description. So I've just added these fields which I just showed you. This is the file, title, and next videos. Next is the extract. So I'm extracting this from text file and then simply adding all the data from the extracted file as well as from the form submission over here. Once that is done, this is our AI node. So what it does is this is a detailed prompt of what we want in output. So we basically want a description, hashtag, timestamps, title 1, title 2, title 3. So if you see here that we have also created three titles. So you can use either of them or you can change it, like it will ease up the process. So this is a prompt basically. So I just got this by telling the Claude what my outcome, what I want in the outcome, and you will get the prompt along with the automation in the link in the description. You can get that. So I've added a simple AI node along with the structured output parser. So once I get the structured output, I use another AI node where I've defined, like this node is basically used to get the information. Like I want to use my affiliate links. But rather than adding all the affiliate links manually, as I've simply added all the links here, and whenever this tool will run, it will give output as here. So it will give output as tools. So let's say I get tool any10 or instantly. So those kind of tools I get, and then this agent will call the Google Sheet. It will check whether I have the, like, let's say any10 affiliate link available or instantly affiliate link available or not. If not available, then we will simply use the official URL and return the data. So here you see that we have returned all the information that we have. Next is again the edit node. So it's nothing but we are simply adding our LinkedIn URL, school community URL, disclaimer, email, calendar URL, website URL. So these things which are not getting changed, and also the information which we got from the previous AI node. The next is the Google Sheet. So we are updating the Google Sheet. We are updating it to like match it with the raw video idea. So this is the one that it will check this particular string and match the string and then update it accordingly. So this is the video title final, and in the description you see I have created a formatted way. So this is the description that we got from the AI node. This is the static description which won't change. This is a calendar ID. So I can also add it directly here, like the calendar URL and the school community URL. But let's say if it is changing for you and you want to add it dynamically, you can play around with this. And next is the timestamp, hashtags, disclaimer, and tools. So everything is generated and saved here. And once you have everything here, it becomes easier for you to edit. Like if you want to add any more links or you want to change the links that or you want to remove certain items, it becomes easier for you. So that's how you can build your own AI agent to build or to create descriptions for you or timestamps for you. And you can also play around with the prompts. Like you can create different agents to play around with the prompts for it. So if you like the video, just drop a like and comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.